Guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing fine. So guys, today video I will be DIY flaxseed gel and aloe vera on my hair for a deep conditioner. So I'm just going to take just 2 spoons of this flaxseed gel. Then I'm going to add about 2 cups of water to this. Then I will just put it in the stove and allow it to boil up a little bit. So to my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming, and if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notification so that anytime I post a new video you will be the first to know. So now my my flaxseed is ready. As you can see, when you put your flaxseed in the stove and this white substance is coming up, then you know that your flaxseed gel is ready. Then you have to turn on your stove and take your flaxseed down. Just allow it to cool down for some minutes. Then you use a strainer or a socket to drain out the gel out of the seed. Then the flaxseed is ready to use. But now I'm using a strainer, I don't use a socket. So if in case you want to use a socket, use the clean one so that you will not add dirty to your flaxseed. So what I did is just I take the gel on top of the water, because I don't want to just mess up everywhere by trying to drain out the gel. So I just pour the flaxseed in that strainer and just allow it to kind of drop little by little. Anyone that can come out I take. So because I don't want to mess everywhere by using sockets to try to drain out the gel. So if you want to do that, you can use the sockets to drain it out, but this one that I have is okay for me. So now it's time for me to prepare my aloe vera. So I'm just going to cut this aloe vera into 2 pieces. Then I will take out the gel inside this aloe vera. I will scoop out the gel. You can use spoon to scoop out the gel, don't mind me. I'm using this big knife. I'm used to knife because I grew up in the village. So I'm used to knife. So if you are a gel butter, don't want to injure yourself, just use a spoon to scoop out this gel inside this aloe vera plant. And then later I will come back to tell you guys what you will do next with this aloe vera. So in the meantime, let's discuss about the little benefit that these 2 products can give to your health. So flaxseed is rich in vitamin E, which is great for both skin and hair. So guys, now I'm just going to use my hand blender to blend that gel and make it turn into a juice. So after blending, I'm going to show you what you will do next. So just blend it very well. So you're also going to use a strainer or a socket to drain out the juice so that you will not have some particle on your hair. So those little pieces on your hair. So you want to avoid that, you have to use a strainer or a socket. So now my gel is thick. As you can see, it's not that watery anymore, it's thick now. So now I'm just going to use my hand to kind of rub the aloe vera juice so that the juice can come out of the strainer. So just like so, just the way that I'm doing, as you can see. So guys, let's go back to the benefit of this DIY product, because DIY, you do it yourself, you know what you have in there, you know all the ingredients, that they are organic, there's no harsh ingredient inside. So all those things work for our health very well, more than the store-bought product that some of the ingredients we cannot even pronounce it, we don't even know what they are, but we still use it because we trust that they are not going to harm us. So when you make your own DIY, you will have 100 100% sure. So I've already mixed the two ingredients together. Now I'm just going to put it inside my spray bottle, then it will be ready to use. So this preparation is not hard, it's very simple as ABCD. So flaxseed is rich in vitamin E. Flaxseed are rich in vitamin E, which is great for both our healthy. The nutrition promotes the healthy of the scalp by reducing free radical damage. It helps improve circulation in the head, promote hair growth, and slow down hair breakage. So that is the benefit of flaxseed. So guys, I've already applied the product to one part of my hair, so now I'm just going to apply it to the other part for you guys to see how I'm going to be using it on my hair. So first of all, I use my DIY carrot, god, it's not carrot, my DIY yes, it's carrot and aloe vera oil first on my hair, because I did not add any oil to this product, as you can see. So that's why I'm going to be using oil on my hair first before I use the DIY solution. So guys, now aloe vera is also act as a conditioner for our hair, and it leave our hair soft and shine. It promotes hair growth, guys. That is very important. Anything that can promote your hair to grow, our hair grow 1 inch a month. So with all these DIY products we put on our hair, it's going to make our hair grow faster, maybe like 2.5 inches a month with all this DIY. That is if you are consistent with it. You do not just use it and say, my hair is not growing, I'm not going to use it again. No, you have to be consistent with it. Don't use it when I say it's not working, I will not use it again. No, consistency is the key. So when you are consistent with it, your hair will surely grow. Our hair grow. People that say that our hair don't grow, they are lying. Our natural hair do grow when you are consistent with whatever you use on your hair. So it prevents itching in the scalp, reduce dandruff, and condition our hair. So aloe vera and these two combo together is a good solution for every problem of our hair. It helps to grow our hair, it helps to prevent itching scalp, it helps to prevent dandruff, it helps to prevent breakage. When you are trying to grow your hair and your hair is breaking off, how will it grow? Tell me, how will it grow? You're not going to retain any length. When you retain length, you break off. So all those things are going to be so frustrating. So to avoid that, try to make your own DIY product on your hair. So just try. It's even cheaper than the store-bought product, because you can find all those things like €1, €2 you have your flaxseed, like €4 you have your aloe vera plant. So now I've done applying it to my hair. I'm just going to cover my hair with a plastic cap, then I will allow it to sit on my hair for 1 hour. Guys, you can do 30 minutes, just depend on your time. So I will be doing 1 hour so that it will really condition my hair very well. So now I'm just going to cover my hair with a plastic bag, then I will come back after 1 hour. So guys, now it's 1 hour later. Just look at how my hair is feeling so juicy. My hair feels so nice. Like, this conditioner is so beneficial to our hair. If you have not tried this two combo before, give it a try. You are going to enjoy it. Maybe on my next video I'm going to show you the 2 ways or 3 ways you can use flaxseed gel and the aloe vera on your hair for healthy hair growth. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I cannot even stop touching my hair. So guys, now I've already washed out pull out wash out the conditioner out of my hair, so you can see how my hair feels so beautiful. My hair feels so nice, like I can't stop touching my hair. I can't just stop, can't stop touching my hair. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you all. Thank you. See you all in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe.